I just wanted to go over just the basics of using the wood wedge on cutting firewood. It's used to take down trees to get the direction right, but I don't take down trees big enough. On small trees I could use it, but I use it quite a bit for cutting logs, because what happens is if your logs has pressure on two outer points, the pressure goes in and your chainsaw can get bound. I'm sure most of you have bound up your chainsaw, but for a simple $5 or $6 you buy a wedge, and what you do is, I've made a cut already down towards the bottom. I didn't want to go any further because I can see in here that this cut's going to go right about here, and it may drop the log rather than have it caught on this. So if it does bind, I want to make sure I don't get my chainsaw bound up. I'll never get it out of this log again. Okay, so what I do is I get a wood wedge and I hammer it in either with a small sledge or a little rock hammer like this. It's light, and that'll maintain the openness. And now I'm going to go in and cut this. Okay, it's quite a wide piece of wood. I'll have to go on both sides, but when I do, my chainsaw will not be bound up and I'll be okay. So let's give it a shot. A perfect cut. My chainsaw did not get bound. I'm not sure if it would have, but just as a safety precaution, on a piece this size, I'll use a wood wedge. But if I were cutting right here, let's say, where I know the tree's going to compress, then it's of course essential as well. But anyway, the wood wedge is another tool that you do need, a felling wedge, if you cut a lot of firewood on your property.